Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to easily start your BMW X4. First, make sure your vehicle is in park or neutral. Then, firmly press the brake pedal. This is a crucial safety step before engaging the engine. You'll find the Start/Stop button conveniently located on the dashboard, ready for the next action. It's a straightforward process. With your foot on the brake, simply press the Start/Stop button once. For some models, a brief hold of the button might be necessary to fully engage the ignition. You should hear the engine turn over and come to life smoothly. This method ensures a quick and efficient start every time you get into your X4, getting you on your way promptly. It's essential to have your key fob inside the vehicle for the system to recognize it. Make sure the key fob battery has sufficient charge to avoid any starting issues. If the battery is low, your X4 might have an emergency start procedure, often involving placing the fob near a specific sensor, usually on the steering column. If your X4 doesn't start, first double-check that the gear selector is firmly in park or neutral. Also, confirm that the brake pedal is fully depressed. If issues persist, your owner's manual provides detailed troubleshooting steps specific to your model. These simple checks can often resolve common starting problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.